Boys and girls, we're going to start Homeland 6.5. And we have been working on in class trying to create different quadrilaterals or shapes with 4 sides. So for number 1, it says a parallelogram that is not a square. Okay, so we have, I went ahead and I drew 2 different shapes here. We got a rectangle, which is not a square, and we have a shape of a parallelogram. Number 2, a quadrilateral that is not a rhombus. And remember, a rhombus is a flat shape with 4 equal sides. Okay, so your trapezoid would not have that, would not have 4 equal sides, and neither does a rectangle. All right, number 3, a quadrilateral that is not a square, a parallelogram, or a rhombus. And we were able to go ahead and draw a trapezoid because our trapezoid only has 1 set of parallel sides, where this has 2 sets, this one has 2 sets, and then a rhombus has 4 equal sides. All right, down at the bottom, let's go ahead and solve our problems. So let's put a bow tie as our unit, and we are going to just subtract. Now, boys and girls, use any type of strategy that you would like to use. So we have 2 minus 8. I can't do it, so I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to and so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to borrow from that 4 10s. I'm going to make that 3 10s. I'm going to bring a set of 10 over here, so this now becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 5, we're going to come over here. We're going to borrow one of those groups of 100s, so now we have 2. We're bringing over 10 10s, so now we have 13 10s. And 13 minus 5 is 8. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So your answer would be 184. All right, on my next one, 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 5, I need to come over here and borrow 100. So I now have 7. Bringing over 10 10s, I already had 4, so that gives me 14. 14 minus 5 is 9, and 7 minus 7 is 0. So my answer would be 90. All right, 231 minus 97, if you want to go ahead and set that up so it is straight up and down, you can do that. All right, 1 minus 7, so I'm going to need to come over here and borrow one of my 10s, bring a group of 10, so now I have 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 2 minus 9, so we're going to need to come over here and borrow 100. So we only have 1, bring in 10 10s. We had 2. We now have 12. 12 minus 9 is 3, and 1 minus 0 is 1. So my answer would be 134. All right, boys and girls, this concludes lesson 6.5.